As a leading cleaning solutions provider, we're always on the lookout for new and innovative products that give our clients the edge in an increasingly competitive market. As we look to the marketplace, it is evident that the need for a sustainable cleaning solution has become essential. Today, more than ever, we are aware of our carbon footprint and our ability to implement incremental changes that will have a really positive impact on the environment and our future. As our push for a cleaner environment continues, so does the pressure on profit and cost containment. However, with the introduction of our solutions, we are able to define a definitive cost per site and achieve considerable savings, making a green decision easy. With that in mind, we're excited to introduce to you 3 solutions that are at the forefront of sustainable cleaning. The first of these products is from PVA Hygiene. PVA Hygiene are pushing the boundaries when it comes to sustainable cleaning. They have moved away from liquid cleaning chemicals in favour of a powder sachet solution. PVA provides a range of cleaning chemicals in this simple, safe and sustainable format. Using PVA sachets eliminates the shipping of liquid chemical. PVA cleaning agents are suspended and only become active when diluted in water in a spray bottle or bucket. This means drastic reductions in your shipping costs and your carbon footprint. PVA have also created clever, eco-friendly packaging which eliminates the plastic waste associated with traditional chemicals. The sachets themselves and their contents are 99% biodegradable, meaning that it will not impact on aquatic life when poured into drains. PVA sachets are a perfect alternative to chemicals that have to be mixed, which often leads to wasteful measures. PVA have a range of sachets suited for various jobs, such as multi-purpose cleaner, glass, degreaser, bathroom cleaner, and cleaner sanitizer. PVA sachets are the perfect measure and ensure that you get the same great results time and time again. The sachets are packed in small, compact tubs. They are dry, lightweight, and importantly, safe to handle, making them the ideal cleaning solution. Introducing PVA Hygiene means that for the first time, your cleaning budget can be calculated, meaning a delivery of X sachets will clean for a fixed amount of time, allowing you to achieve fixed price budgeting. The second of our 3 products is Tersano. It is the definition of innovation and green cleaning. A system where in essence the O2 element in water is temporarily transformed into O3. O3 is a powerful cleaning agent and sanitizer. O3 effectively cleans everything, from glass, panels, food preparation areas, bathrooms, stainless steel, and all surfaces. But it is 100% toxin-free, even in O3 format. And although Tersano has an SDS sheet, all points raised on this document read non-applicable. Imagine de-risking your business to a stage where your operatives are cleaning without the need of any chemicals. The results of this cleaning system are something to be seen, and the fact that it is a food-grade sanitizer is a massive bonus. One Tersano cartridge will produce 6,000 litres or 12,000 spray bottles. No need for wasteful plastic or multiple products on site. Recent installs have seen instant savings and cleaner environments for clients. For a more comprehensive look at the Tersano system, please see our short video. Lastly, we would like to showcase the new cleaning equipment from iTeam. The iMop is a revolutionary cleaning machine that is changing the way the world cleans. Currently, over 70% of all surfaces are still being cleaned manually with a mop and bucket, because your everyday scrubber dryers only work in vast open spaces. The iMop promises to fill this gap. Combining the easy movement of a simple floor mop with the speed and high cleaning power of a tough scrubber dryer, the iMop is a harmonious blend of clever design and high performance. Its flexibility is simply unmatched. Just imagine a scrubber dryer that cleans underneath tables, serving areas, washroom sinks, a scrubber dryer that can turn 180 degrees on the spot, a scrubber dryer so compact it can be transported wherever you need, in the boot of your average car. But that's not all. The iMop is also the most sustainable mop and bucket cum scrubber dryer cleaning solution. It's efficient in its use of water, proven to save hundreds and thousands of litres of water each year. And as an active member of the Made Blue initiative, purchasing an iMop means your water footprint or water savings are mirrored in a developing country, a litre for a litre. The people at iTeam are forward thinkers, and the ideas coming from this company are quick and fast. With the introduction of cleaning stations where the sluice room is brought to the area being cleaned, this range really needs to be seen. Coming soon by Chemical Direct, QR training videos on SAM. I know, I protect. Thank you for taking the time to watch our short video. As always, we would recommend and welcome the opportunity to demonstrate these innovative cleaning systems. Be assured, we will continue to challenge the norm and look for green, efficient cleaning solutions now and into the future.